For decades, real off-road SUVs followed the same formula: big engines, heavy frames, and zero intelligence. But the BYD Leopard 8 changes everything. This isn't a Jeep, it isn't a Land Cruiser. It's a high-tech off-road SUV that mixes serious trail capability, hybrid power, and smart driving tech in one package. And the biggest shock? It comes from BYD, and it could cost less than its traditional rivals. So the real question is the BYD Leopard 8 the future of off-roading? Let's find out. The 2025 BYD Leopard 8, also known as the Fang Qingbao Bao 8, marks a significant leap in the evolution of plug-in hybrid SUVs. Launched in November 2024 under BYD's Fang Qingbao brand, this full-size SUV seamlessly blends robust off-road capabilities with cutting-edge technology and luxurious comfort, positioning itself as a formidable contender in the premium SUV segment. Powertrain and performance. At the heart of the Leopard 8 lies a sophisticated plug-in hybrid system, combining a 2-liter turbocharged inline-4 petrol engine with dual electric motors. This setup delivers a combined output of approximately 550 kilowatts, over 700 horsepower, and a system torque of 760 Nm, enabling the SUV to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.8 seconds. The vehicle's violent mode unleashes maximum power at low speeds, enhancing its performance in challenging terrains. The Leopard 8 utilizes BYD's dual-mode off-road DMO plug-in hybrid system, featuring a 36.8 kilowatt-hour BYD Blade lithium iron phosphate (LFP) battery. This configuration offers an electric-only range of approximately 100 kilometers (WLTC) and a total range of up to 1,200 kilometers (CLTC). When combining electric and fuel power, off-road capabilities designed for rugged terrains, the Leopard 8 boasts a body-on-frame chassis DS/USP air suspension system with adjustable ground clearance up to 310 mm and multiple off-road driving modes, such as snow, sand, mud, and wading. It also features low-speed 4-wheel drive mode and 3 automatic differential locks to enhance off-road performance. The vehicle's Union P intelligent hydraulic body control system allows for adjustments in chassis, softness, stiffness, and height, with a suspension travel range of 140 mm. Utilizing binocular cameras and laser radar technology, the Leopard 8 can anticipate road conditions and instantly make adaptive damping adjustments. Interior and technology inside, the Leopard 8 offers a luxurious and technologically advanced cabin. It features a 17.3-inch central infotainment touchscreen, a 12.3-inch digital instrument panel, and a 12.3-inch passenger display, a 50-inch augmented reality head-up display, ambient lighting, a fragrance system, and an 18-speaker. Devia-led audio setup further enhance the premium experience. The SUV is available in 6-seat or 7-seat configurations, with Nappa leather seats offering heating, ventilation, massage functions, and electric adjustments. Additional amenities include dual 50-watt wireless charging, a cold and warm refrigerator, and a 3-zone climate control system. Advanced driver assistance. The Leopard 8 is the first BYD model to integrate Huawei's Qiankun ADS 3 driving assistance system, featuring a roof-mounted LiDAR sensor. This system offers advanced intelligent driving capabilities, including Urban Navigate on autopilot, NOA, automated parking, and handling complex driving scenarios. The ADS-3 system utilizes the General Obstacle Detection (GOD) network and KAS-3 technology to prevent collisions with crossing pedestrians and automatically adjust the vehicle's direction when identifying obstacles on the road or parking slots, leading to safer driving. Design and dimensions. The Leopard 8 showcases a bold and futuristic design with a distinctive front fascia and angular headlights connected by a light strip. Its dimensions are 5,195 mm in length, 1,994 mm in width, and 1,905 mm in height. Height with a wheelbase of 2,920 mm, providing ample interior space for passengers and cargo. The rear end features a wraparound spare wheel cover inspired by planetary rings, paired with rectangular taillights and a silver rear bumper, fully exhibiting a hardline off-road style. Pros and cons. Pros: powerful performance. The combination of a 2-liter turbocharged engine and dual electric motors delivers over 700 horsepower, enabling fast acceleration and strong off-road capabilities. Impressive electric range. With a 36.8 kilowatt-hours battery, it offers around 100 kilometers WLTC of pure electric driving and up to 1,200 kilometers total range, reducing fuel consumption. If you enjoy honest car reviews and want to stay ahead of the auto world, hit that subscribe button. We break down the newest cars, real tech, and what actually matters. No hype, no nonsense. Like this video, subscribe, and stay one step ahead. Advanced off-road capabilities, body-on-frame chassis, DICE's P-Air suspension, 310mm ground clearance, 3 differential locks, and multiple off-road driving modes make it highly capable in tough terrain. High-tech interior features like a 17.3-inch infotainment screen, a 50-inch AR head-up display, a 12.3-inch passenger screen, and an 18-speaker audio system create a premium experience. Cutting-edge driver assistance, equipped with Huawei's Qiankun ADS-3 system, LiDAR, and Urban Innova, navigate on autopilot for semi-autonomous driving and intelligent parking. Spacious and comfortable, available in 6-seat and 7-seat configurations with high-end materials, models, making it a great family SUV. Cons: heavyweight. As a large body-on-frame SUV with a hybrid system, it may be heavier than competitors, slightly affecting agility. High price. Positioned as a premium SUV, it may be expensive compared to traditional gasoline-powered alternatives. Charging infrastructure. While the hybrid system reduces fuel use, full EV mode depends on charging infrastructure, which might not be as widespread in some regions. Complexity of hybrid system, the combination of a gasoline engine, electric motors, and advanced tech may lead to higher maintenance costs compared to simpler SUVs. Limited global availability. Initially launched for the Chinese market, international availability may be limited or delayed. The 2025 BYD Leopard 8 stands as a testament to BYD's commitment to innovation, blending powerful performance, advanced technology, and luxurious comfort in a full-size plug-in hybrid SUV. Its robust off-road capabilities, coupled with cutting-edge driver assistance systems and a high-tech interior, make it a compelling choice for those seeking a premium SUV experience. While its weight and price point may be considerations for some, the Leopard 8's comprehensive feature set and impressive range position it as a formidable contender in the evolving SUV market. The Leopard 8's comprehensive feature set and impressive range position it as a formidable